Okay, we're still doing the quiz 2 review. Question number 7. So it says, what is f of negative 3? So we just put in negative 3 wherever there's an x, but here you need to make sure you have brackets. Wherever there's an x, oops, put brackets and then put your negative 3 in. So here I put brackets, here I put brackets. So that, be careful with this. This is going to be 9. How much is that going to be? Minus 4. So f of negative 3 is 4. Negative 4. So it says, choose the correct function or equation for the following description. The linear function has a y-intercept of 6. Show y equals mx plus b. So that's the y-intercept. So it's going to be y equals something x plus 6. Okay, there's a plus 6. Oh, this is the only plus 6, so it must be b. Okay. So 9, graph this line and give the domain and range. Okay, so I like graphing my lines when they have y equals mx plus b. So that's what I'm going to do. So up here, can you see me? Yes. So minus 5y minus 4x equals 0. So to solve for y, I need to get rid of the 4x. Do I have a colored pen? I don't. So I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So minus 5y equals 4x. To get y by itself, I'm going to divide by minus 5. So I'm left with y equals minus 4 over 5x. Oh, I have the x term, but there's no b term. So if there's no b term, it means that the y-intercept is 0, because there's nothing there. So that means that you put the y-intercept is 0, so I put a point at 0, and my slope is minus 4 over 5, so I go down 4 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4 over 5. Put a point, down 4 over 5. There. And do I have a ruler somewhere? I don't have a ruler, but I have this like straight line. There. And put arrows on the end. So now it says, what is the domain? Well, it's a straight line, and so it's going to use every x value and every y value. So my the domain for a straight line is negative infinity to infinity, and the range is the same. Okay. Here, when it has curly brackets, it's for when you want to go, it's like 6 and 2. It's like the set of numbers, so we're not using those. Okay. We want that. So now, 10. Find the slope of the line that goes through these 2 points. Oh, my slope, I subtract the y's on the top, and I, subtract my x's on the bottom, but I do 0.2 first and then 0.1. So, these are my y's, so I'm going to go minus 3 minus 7, minus 6, subtract negative 8. Oh, that's a lot of minuses. That changes to a plus. So if I use my calculator, that's going to be 4 on the top, and that's going to be 2, which is equal to 2. There we go. So my slope is 2.